with this augmentation nung last December na in less than 1 month, 5 laro ang tinamaan.
Sabay-sabay.
Yes, in less than a month.
That's questionable. Kaya nga sa
Yes,
susunod
we
nating
will have
hearing,
to we will have to look
find
at this, Mr. Chairman, and maybe if Ms. Xavier can help us with the alam niyo yung data ng mga draws, di ba? Na may game na umabot na ng 500 million yung ano niya, jackpot niya without augmentation. Ito yung natural accumulation of the jackpot from the bets. Then, ang theory, naka-attract na yan ng bettors. Bet na yan. Oh. And then, tignan natin, months muna bago tamaan eh. So, itong nangyari last December is really an anomaly. Hindi lang 1 game, 5 games, Mr. Chairman.
sabay-sabay nung nag-augment. That's why yung sinasabi kanina sa BIR, ibabangkay natin kung baka mamaya kung nag-file man pare-parehong tao lang palang nanalo. Dapat nandun yung pangalan nung bettor na nanalo, nagbayad siya ng 20% tax, sino siya at saan siya.